Favorite actresses of Akshay Kumar: Deepika Padukone. Akshay and Deepika made only one film, and that is Houseful. Akshay is a huge fan of our leading lady Deepika because of her acting skill. Kareena Kapoor Khan. Bollywood's hottest diva Kareena has a great rapport with our beloved Akshay, and their on-screen jodi has been getting applauses for many years. Akshay recently said during the promotions of Good News that it was great working with Kareena as she had great compatibility during shoots. Katrina Kaif. Katrina gave multiple hit films with Akshay including Sing is King, Namaste London, Welcome and many more. Akshay said that he loves working with Katrina because she is really hardworking and dedicated to acting. Sonakshi Sinha. Sonakshi and Akshay have great chemistry on screen, and they even share a great friendship in real life also. Wife Twinkle even warned Akshay not to do films with Sonakshi as they both look sizzling on screen. Being professional, Akshay again worked with Sonakshi in Mission Mangal and said he loves Sonakshi's passion for acting. Jacqueline Fernandez. Akshay and Jacqueline were seen in Houseful 2, Houseful 3 and Brothers, and Akshay himself confessed that Jacqueline is one of the hardworking actresses in Bollywood. She is Akshay's favorite co-star because Jacqueline is very bubbly in nature and Akshay never hesitates during any romantic scene. Priyanka Chopra. Akshay and Priyanka made one of the controversial pair in Bollywood. Undoubtedly, they looked hot in Aitraz. But for their unnecessary closeness during shoots made Twinkle angry, and for this reason they never paired up again. Akshay always appreciates hard work, and for this reason, Priyanka is Akshay's one of the favorite co-stars. Kiara Advani. Being a promising actress in Bollywood, Akshay loved working with Kiara in Good News. They will be seen against each other in Lakshmi Bomb. Twinkle Khanna. Being a biased husband, Akshay had to praise his own wife, Twinkle. Akshay loves Twinkle's hardship and dedication. This charming Bollywood couple is now together for around 19 years and they did only 2 films before their marriage. Bhumi Pednekar. Akshay expressed that Bhumi is one of the favorite actresses and he is looking forward to working with Bhumi again. Taapsee Pannu. Taapsee is dedicated and passionate about acting just like Akshay. This actress is also a big fitness freak just like Aki Bhaiya. Taapsee's disciplined life and adventurous personality impressed Akshay and he really wants to work with her in future. Vidya Balan. According to Akshay, Vidya is one of the powerful actresses in Bollywood and he is a great fan of her acting. Madhuri Dixit. Madhuri is the real icon of Bollywood who is the perfect example of beauty with talent. Akshay said that he is totally in love with Madhuri's charismatic beauty and enjoyed working with her. Shilpa Shetty. This hottest diva used to be Akshay's real-life girlfriend and even cheated on her. But being a genuine actor, Akshay also admitted that he has great respect for her and she is really talented. According to you, which heroine looks best beside Akshay Kumar? Write your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.